Hi everyone, this is me, Batya, your Jewish Filipini. I am a Filipino converted to Orthodox Judaism. Lately, I have been accommodating questions from you guys, and one of the questions that I received, actually it was last night, and up until now it's still difficult for me to address the question. The question was like, have I ever felt that being religious was too much? And then together with that question is, did I ever miss being non-religious? So to be honest, I do not consider myself non-religious when I was outside Judaism. So I grew up, or my father is Catholic and my mother was Protestant. I was technically baptized in my mother's religion. My environment was Christian. My relatives were I go to church, I go to my mother's religion at the same time, but my adherence mainly under my mother's denominations, rules, policy, and traditions. However, I would not consider it as a demanding religion. So to answer the question, have I ever missed being non-religious? The answer is no, because I do not consider myself that I was not religious. So being a Jew actually helped me a lot to redirect myself being a religious person, like with all the rules that we have, with all the, I would not really consider this as restrictions. I actually do consider it as tools to connect to Hashem. So yeah, it's being religious Jew is not too much for me. It's actually a blessing, Baruch Hashem.